Hey everyone, it's Rachel again with, this time I'm not unpacking it, but it is a gear reveal. So today I got my dog's Yup harness. It's guided mobility harness, but she's a psychiatric service dog. So I'm only going to be using it for like maybe her guide tasks. I don't have a guide handle yet, so these are like, I'm assuming where they would go through. I will only use this counterbalance or CB handle for grounding. So like if I dissociate, I can grab it and feel how she's moving. So this is a Yup, not brand new. A friend of mine bought it for me because I couldn't buy it, but she got it from somebody on Facebook in North Carolina. So it took a couple days to come. So like, I think we purchased it Wednesday and today's Friday, so it got here very quickly. I love this harness. It's a large, I believe, so the girth is a 26 to a 30 something, I believe, or 30. My dog's a 27 girth, so I have it on the smallest setting so it'll fit her. It also has D-rings for a pull strap, so I will be using pull straps. A pull strap on it. It's sheepskin lining that's black, and then the harness is black. And yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like on my dog really quickly. Gracie, come here. Sit. Good girl. I know, I told you no more of having to wear this good stand. And then, sit, babe. Gracie, sit. Good girl. Or lay down, I don't care. This is what it looks